As COVID cases keep rising, testing demands are putting pressure on getting results faster.
And it's creating a demand for rapid testing, results in just 24 hours. WPTV News Channel 5's Matt Cesny looked into how some places can get quick results.
They're saying 7 to 10 days, and it's not good. It's not optimum.
Rich Marini waited online at a state COVID testing site in West Boca, knowing that he'd wait a lot longer to get his result.
Because between the time I get my test and the time I get my results, I could have been infected.
The long waits are the result of overwhelming demand being put on testing sites, but some places, such as Vitality Sciences in Palm Beach Gardens, is advertising online rapid COVID swab test results in just 24 hours.
The commercial labs, it's not that they can't do it rapidly. The problem is the volume.
Dr. Larry Bush is an infectious disease specialist with the Palm Beach Medical Society who says fast testing is possible, but it takes special equipment and it can be pricey, a few $100s a test. The NBA players training in Orlando are getting their test results the same day.
You know, you're not going to see it in many physicians' offices. I imagine there are some urgent cares that have a lot more volume for rapid testing like that. Some hospitals are using that. Some have other machines that take an hour.
Which leaves many like those in West Boca waiting in line and hoping for the best.
I don't know. Some people are saying there's a long wait, but I have a friend that was tested in Tamarack and she said she got her results in 2 days.
Quest Diagnostics, one of the largest testing labs in the country, says in an email capacity is slowing all testing right now, even rapid testing in hospitals, which they say is taking up to 2 days. This free state testing site is telling people they can get their results in 3 days. In West Boca Raton, Matt Cesny, WPTV, News Channel 5.